In today's video, we're going to discuss the key ingredients to investing success. The key ingredients to investing success are mindset, risk management, research, and patience. When we think of making the investing success pie, think of mindset like butter, risk management like flour, research like sugar, and patience like fruit. We're going to cover mindset in more detail in this video, but mindset is like butter because it needs to shift its state depending on the overall environment that it exists in. So like butter changes its state, it'll become less solid as you take it out of the fridge. Your mindset has to flow just like that. It has to shift states depending on the environment that surrounds it, right? Are we in a bearish or kind of risk-adverse environment in the markets? Are we more risk-on and bullish? And can we spot any investor sentiment shifts that we can take advantage of as we see things moving from bearish to bullish, let's say, or the other way around? It could be from bullish to bearish. So that's one thing. So mindset is like butter here. And then risk management is like flour. Why? Because it's the binding agent between your two main portfolio objectives. That is mitigating losses and essentially realizing gains on the capital that you've invested. So if you're able to get those gains while also minimizing your losses, you're essentially binding those two goals together like the flour in a pie, right? So then research is the sugar in this case. It's the sugar and the sweet stuff because this is the stuff that goes into fundamental, into financial analysis, and into technical analysis on the particular company you're looking at. Fundamental things could be looking at stuff like, okay, well, what is this company's business model? What products do they sell? Do the products have a key differentiator? And is there an effective moat built around that business to keep competitors out? Financial analysis could look at things like valuation metrics. What's the price to earnings ratio? What's the EPS growth? What is the return on equity? What's the free cash flow of the business? What are the margins? And then finally, technical analysis could look at things like price patterns and essentially the recent price action, support and resistances, to see, if this particular investment is a good one at that time. And then finally, and I put this one last on purpose to explain the very point of patience, right? The last thing in this investing success pie is patience. It's like the fruit that builds the pie. It's the filling. Without the fruit of the pie, you only have the crust, right? And it's important to know this because you could have the proper mindset. You could have very effective risk management. You could do all the right research, but if you don't have the patience to see that investment play out in the way that you think it will, well, then you're going to miss out on any of the gains, right? So patience is really a virtue here in terms of investing success. So now let's get into why this mindset piece is so important. Without the proper mindset, without having the correct mindset, you're going to end up with an investing success pie that's just kind of lacking. It'll lead to a less than impressive taste in your mouth and your investment portfolio. But the key aspect of mindset here, but it's also having the courage to act in a way that goes against the grain, questions the popular narrative, and focuses on finding opportunities when others may be running in fear. Doing so often enough can lead to upsized gains when compared to your peers because you're both intelligent enough to identify these moments and opportunities and brave enough to put capital forward, your hard-earned money on the line to cash in. So picture this. This concept is really best summed up in the words of Robert Frost. poem here. Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one last traveled by, and that has made all the difference. So the key questions here to ask yourself are, well, which path will you take? Are you going to be a bear? Are you going to have a bull mindset? And what opportunities do you see now in the market? And most importantly, do you have the courage of conviction to act? So, in summary, the key ingredients to success in investing are mindset, risk management, research, and patience. Comment below your thoughts. I'm really looking forward to hearing from you. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a like, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks so much and have a great day.